Hello, crafty friends. I got some happy mail from Kay Hafen. If you don't know who she is, her YouTube channel is Kaylee's Creations on YouTube, and also she has a Facebook group called OK Create. So if you are a crafter and you love like folio tutorials, mini albums, and stuff like that, definitely check out her YouTube channel. And also, if you'd like to share your crafty goodness and check out everybody else's, definitely check out her group on Facebook. Again, that is OK Create. I'll have all the links down below in the description box for you so you can check her out. Thank you, Kay. I don't know what this is. I actually just opened it. I haven't looked inside. So anyway, I have no idea what she sent me at all. So I don't have a clue. She just said, oh my God, that is so cute. She made this. Wow. This is gorgeous. And she's got a little seashell on here. She has some little wicked little scully beads with the bones, the crossbones. That is so cute. Wow, this is adorable. And look, she's got like a little beachy color spider. That is so cute. He got a little crushed, but we will fix him up. Hold on, I think he's kind of stuck in here. I don't know if he was supposed to be stuck in here on purpose, but I'm going to pull him out really quickly. Wow, you are so talented, girl. I don't know. This kind of got really stuck in there. Okay, we may just kind of put him on top, but look at how cute that is. Look. Oh my gosh. I love how she put the little beads. Like, this is his little back. There's a little face. I'm trying to think. Okay, so this one I think goes like this. Forgive me, guys, if I'm doing this wrong, but it is so beautiful. Thank you so much. Wow. This is amazing. Do you have a tutorial on this? I would love to try this sometime. But yeah, this is so cute. Look at that. All that detail. And I love how she has like a little, I call it a scarf. I don't know exactly what this is, but it looks kind of wicked, right? This is so neat. Love it, love it, love it. Perfect for my house. I'm not sure. Maybe she tied him. No. He is separate. Wow, so cute. I love it. Thank you so much, Kay. Look at this. This is really neat. It looks like old driftwood, too. That is so neat. Love it, love it. So this is going to stay on my desk. Okay. And then she sent me a little card here. I'm not going to read it, but look at how cute that is. See, guys? Just a easy, simple, just black colored cardstock with a little ghosty here. I don't know if she cut that out on her silhouette, but she probably did. And then she has some enamel stickers, little star and a skeleton. And look at how cute that turned out to be. Well, guys, thank you so much, Kay, for sending this to me. And I hope you all love it too. Guys, definitely check out her YouTube channel and Facebook group. I think you all will find lots of fun ideas, and she's so creative, guys. She does a lot of her own cut files too, so that's pretty awesome. You got to go check her out. She has like a retro television that is way better than mine. Mine's just like a little shaker thing, but she has a really cool little retro TV, and she's got some other really cool ideas too. So anyway, I will see you all again soon. And again, thank you, Kay. I'm keeping this right here on my desk. It's going to stay there probably through November. Anyway, bye, guys.